So let's talk about the cosine rule. So we have the sine rule and the cosine rule. We can use either one, but only in certain scenarios or situations. With the cosine rule, we can only use it when we have two sides and an included angle, which is the angle between the two sides, or if we have the length of all three sides of the triangle. Let's have a look at the formula to see why that is. So it's the one formula here, but I've got it just in two formats. One if we want to figure out a side, and one if we want to figure out an angle. So you can see for unknown side, a squared equals b squared plus c squared equals, take away 2bc cos a. Now that's angle A, side A. Remember the notation for our triangles that we've talked about, where that capital A is for the angle of the triangle that is opposite side A. This is if you want to find out an angle, cos of that angle is equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2bc. So obviously here we have to know all three sides, and here I have to know two sides and the angle between them. Okay, let's look at a couple of worked examples. Find the unknown length, correct two decimal places in the triangle given here. So you see we've got two sides and the angle between them, the included angle. So that means, okay, that's cosine. We'll use the cosine rule. So I write it out, now substituting my knowns and unknowns and figure it all out. So then to two decimal places, that's x is approximately equal to 8.39. Okay, so find size of angle x, correct to the nearest degree. So to use the cosine rule, I have to know all three side lengths, which I do here, and I want to figure out x. So that means that that would be side A, and that is angle A. I've written out my formulas, then I'm substituting my knowns and unknowns. So cos of x is equal to 16 divided by 32. That means x is equal to 70.53 degrees, and so to the nearest degree, x is equal to 71 degrees.